For decades, air conditioning has evolved incrementally until evolution demanded dominance. You knew my predecessor, the unrivaled VRV, the benchmark set no other could ever match. But progress doesn't repeat, it reinvents. I am not an upgrade. I am new intelligence. I am not built to compete. I am built to lead. I am not part of the pack. I am the Alpha. I sense. I adapt. I predict. I decide. I don't react. I anticipate. I am the intelligence of tomorrow. I am the dominance of today. I am VRV Alpha.
I bring a complete enhancement across every dimension. New casing, better reliability, superior energy savings, easier installation, elevated comfort. Whether you are an owner, consultant, installer, or a facility manager, I am designed to benefit each one of you. A system engineered to simplify, strengthen, and elevate. My energy efficient operation helps you lower your electricity bills, resulting in reduced air conditioning operating costs. And my advanced features add comfort to your lifestyle. I give you design freedom, adaptable engineering, extended piping, and stronger system capability. I reduce the complexity and make installation simplified. Faster setup, less effort, easy monitoring, utmost efficiency. I deliver reliability, comfort, consistency, and ease of maintenance every day, every season. My new casing brings powerful upgrades. Large capacity single modules now range from 6 to 26 HP, 6 to 12 HP, 14 to 20 HP, 22 to 26 HP. More power in a smaller footprint. The frame has been strengthened to resist earthquakes and wind, protecting the unit from vibration, impact, and environmental stress. I deliver advanced energy savings through a powerful blend of enhanced hardware and intelligent software. The new 8-pole motor with 12-slot design helps in reducing vibration, noise, and improves ISEER. High-efficiency scroll compressors, optimized discharge port control, advanced oil management, high-performance concentrated motor, combined with VRT Smart 2 control, coordinating outdoor airflow, indoor airflow, and compressor refrigerant temperature for both comfort and energy efficiency. Installation is where I reduced the complications and made it truly simple for installers. With automatic refrigerant charge function, I determine optimal amount of refrigerant, preventing capacity shortage or energy loss. Reliability isn't a feature, it's my virtue. My IP55 sealed electrical component box and IP44 rated DC fan condenser motor prevents water and dust from causing failure. Refrigerant cooling protects the PCB, ensuring stable performance even in high outdoor temperatures. Operating range is extended to extreme conditions. I defrost before I stop, ensuring no frost remains on the heat exchanger. Heating resumes faster, warmth stabilizes sooner. With the defrost learning function, I analyze frosting patterns and optimize the interval, improving heating operation time by up to 10%. My quiet operation function at night ensures peaceful sleep for the users. I provide powerful engineering support tools, heat load software, VRV Express, Ventilation Express, CFD and airflow simulation, 3D rivet data and 2D CAD symbols for your precise planning. Introducing you to DyeEdge Pro, the all-in-one solution that brings all your multi-site HVAC systems together on a single unified platform, so that you stay connected 24/7, no matter where you are.
Now you know me, my capability, reliability, intelligence, which is designed for every one of you and engineered for every condition. I am built to redefine the future of smart HVAC solutions. I am VRV Alpha.